Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Diffusion. So today we are talking about one more security tools which is related to Python language, one of the most famous security vulnerability tool. Means it's checking a security in our code. Okay, so the tool name is Python Taint. It is Python Taint. Okay, so how we will install this Python Taint and how we can use and how we generate that report with using Python Taint, we will see inside this video. And before that, like, share, subscribe. Okay, so we will start with that. So for that, first of all, you need to install that Python. And for that, how to install Python in Windows, you can take my video, which is I already create for how to install Python. Okay, so I will give the description in my description the same video link, so you can use that also. Okay, so let's start. So for first of all, what you need to do, just open that CMD as I already open, and what you need to do, just type the command which is I telling Python minus m pip install Python tent dash tent. Okay, remember guys, this is the command from which we can install the Python tent. Okay, I'm again repeating Python minus m pip install Python tent, and what you need to do, just click. Okay, and wait, it will start installing. As you can see, it start the installation, and after the installation, like it's showing you like that successfully installed. Okay, so how to use that Python tent in your code? So I'm giving you one of that example with my Python code. These all are the code are sample testing code. Okay, so I'm giving you that one of that example. So for that, what you need to do, just type pyt, it denotes Python tent, and path of your code. Okay, so let me go. This is my path. I copy this and I just paste over there. Okay, okay, and I just enter. Okay, as you can see, the syntax error and all are that it's coming. Okay, okay, and if you want to generate a code, a report for the same code, so we can do that also. Let me do one thing, and with the code, let me tell one of that example, like, okay, let me take test. Okay, okay, as it is window, run module as main, line number 85, it's giving some error and file not found error. Okay, okay, let me check again. What we need to do, just type the code and paste the file name. As you can see, it's giving me no vulnerabilities found. Let me try with another code, like, let me copy that name. Okay, to test other code also, dot py, no vulnerability found. So inside that there's a no, like, security means like, there's a no threat for the security. Let me try with other also some. As we can see. Okay, so to generate a report for that same, what we need to do is the same. It's very simple. Okay, what we need to do, the path of that code and pyt command, path of the code, and just we need to do space minus o and type your file name. Okay, like report.txt. Okay, it will generate a report. Okay, so I think it will go to that path. Okay, let me do one more thing. I provided that path. So okay, so it's saying that no such file directory. Okay, what we did wrong, it's that it is still saying same. Did we doing wrong? Yes, we did wrong something. Let me copy now again. Let me copy that path again and paste it over there. Okay, so now we can check that is there anything. See, inside that no vulnerabilities found. So you can also create a different type of format like JSON, HTML if you want to do. So it is also created for you. Okay, so for the different format you can also see that .html file. So it will create you for different type of format also. So whatever our required we can use directly from this. Okay, so this is the one of major tool of Python security vulnerability test of your code. Okay, so if you think my video is good and helpful for you related to security in your code, so please like, share and subscribe my channel.